Welcome back to another episode of our lead generation tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to send bulk personalized email using Google Sheet and Gmail. It's an easy way to send bulk personalized email, so let's get started. Step 1. To send bulk personalized email, you have to use a tool called Mailmars, and it's a product of Google Workspace. At first, go to Google and search Google Workspace for developer Mailmars, and the link will be appeared at the top of the page. I will attach the link in the video description so you can find it easily. Let's open it, and now we scroll below, and here you can see set up the script. Right now we have to create a Google Sheet using Mailmars. So if you click on make a copy, it will automatically create a Google Sheet copy document, and you have to press on copy and it will automatically create the sheet for you. Let's wait. It's done. Okay, now let's take a quick tour of this spreadsheet. The technical terms for what we are doing here is Mailmars. You can customize most one of the column of the headers to fit your data, but there are two important ones you should not touch: the recipient and email sent one. Basically, the recipient where you will send the email, and the email sent, this will be the status of your email send time. These two are essential for your process to work, so don't mess up with them. Now I will update the columns as per my requirements of the leads. Perfect. I'm done with the column setup. I have already uploaded my all data here, and these are basically dummy data, like these two email are basically my. Now our Google Sheet is ready. It's time to connect the Gmail to send personalized email. To do that, let's open our Gmail and then click compose button, but I have already composed the draft here. Okay, click here and open it. Now here you can see that I have a template with a few different type of placeholder. This placeholder basically the column name of this sheet. Basically this column title will connect the sheet and the template. If you want to personalize it more, like you want to add different type of things, just create a column and then just write it here, like there will be double bracket, and inside of this you have to put your column name. That's it. It's totally simple. So now let's go back to the Google Sheet again, and now the magic will happen. Let's click on the extension. Here you can see the Mailmars. Let's click it, and then you can see that there is an option called send emails. You have to click on it and then click OK, and now it will ask you to authorize. Just proceed it, don't worry about it, and then it will ask you to go back because it's not verified tab, that's they are saying, but it's authorized by Google. So click on advanced, then go to Google Sheet and then allow again. Boom. Now it's asking me type or paste the subject line that we will use in our email. Let's copy it from here. Make sure your placeholder name and the column name is totally same. Like if you put here lowercase and if you put here the uppercase, then this will not connect. That's why you have to make sure that you are doing it correctly. Then here you can see the recipient, but we didn't put anything here. So as I said, that if you want to connect something, just copy the column name and come here, then add double bracket, then again double bracket inside of it. Just put the name of the column and then again go back to the sheet, then Mailmars, send email, and then the subject line, and then just send it. If you can see it, like it's automatically updated the column with email sending time, like the date, and here you can see the for the empty row it automatically displaying an error. Now let's go back to my email account that I have already put it here, like Asif Hassan YTU. Let's open it to show you guys that it's working and it's sending the right template. That's why I'm opening it. Okay, here you can see it's top and the title. Let's grow the YouTube channel name, and then Hi Asif, that was the first name I added in the column. And then I have impressed by the quality of your content, even with channel like size every view counts, with 43 views that I have already added here, you can see, and it's perfectly working. That's it. That was the video. But before wrapping up, I will give you some extra tips. Double check your data to avoid mistakes. Always test with a small batch of emails before scaling up. Keep your emails short and clear and professionals, and if you want to send more emails, just update this column and then just send them. It will automatically send them. Like as you can see, there are two rows that I have already sent. They will not send twice. That's a good thing. So if you want to send more leads after one batch, just update this column and then send it by the same process. That's it. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more step-by-step guide like this. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment below and I would love to give the answers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.